Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable background sync on Google Chrome in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser. Now from here tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that tap on account. That's it. Here you can see so many options. If you want to totally disable your Chrome sync, then you have to turn off this option from here. Just tap here and then turn off this option. Now the Chrome sync has been disabled successfully. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can also sign out or log out your account from here, and it's done. Now if you want to disable some specific sync on the Chrome, then you can disable it from here. Suppose if you want to disable your password and bookmark sync, then just disable these two options and it's done. And that is how you can disable background sync on Google Chrome in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.